Hi everyone. I am doing a video for question 4 for the physical provide basic care for dogs. So I have done already one for which was the teeth. Now this second one I'm doing the health problem is tapeworms. So for the tapeworms for the canines for dogs. So when you don't know how to find tapeworms, there's a few things you can find them. So is the one thing you can do is check their annual area, so where you can just check it if it's a redness or swollen around it. And sometimes you can find a tapeworm segment in on the area of the anus. It's like a grain of rice. So it's like really sore and it's really tiny, but you don't know. If it doesn't have any tapeworm segments around its anus, there's a few things you can find of tapeworms with it. So, for example, for a dog, you can find if they got fleas on them, on their dog, so that means the fleas when they bite they carry tapeworms, or you can just like find flea dirt on their or poo on their dog. Example for like if it was a white dog like a Maltese, you would find a poo. So example for this one. So their poos there on their flea poos on a dog. So this one was a border collie. So this you can tell it's all those flea poos on it. But if it was a black dog like mine, a bull, and you can't find flea dirt, there's another way you can do it. Is if you want to find flea dirt, you can get a paper towel and just put it underneath the dog and just rub the dog as much as you can, scrub it, like just flick it off, and then the flea poo will land on the paper towel, and then you find out it's got a flea poo or dirt on it, so which means you've found it's fleas been on this dog. Now when it's there, you can now if there's things that you can do to treat with the tapeworm, so you can use it with worm tablets, Drontal, Paragard, or anything like that to treat with tapeworms for that for every three months. Now if you see signs for dogs like if you are not sure what's going on, so example if you see a dog is licking around its anus, chewing around the anal area, or even scooting on the grass. That means, example, is scooting around and they think it's maybe the anus are pretty sore, swollen. So you can tell like this one. There's a few things you can find out with tapeworms. So, if it's your dog start doing the poo, you can look around at their poo. So, like for this one, you can tell these white dots, these things, they're all these tapeworms on this poo. So if you found one of these dogs with your dogs with these poos, then you can tell he's got a tapeworm or she. Now I'll show you what type of tapeworms. These are tapeworms. They're pretty long and pretty nasty to me. So if you got these kind of tapeworms, or like this picture, start training your dog with some tapeworms, and your dog will be nice and healthy. So that. But if you don't know what's wrong with the dog, like if it's scratching its like scooting, licking, or chewing its annual, and its retinas or swollen anus, you can take it to the vet and they can explain to you it's what's wrong with it, and they will ask you to treat it with worm tablets. So I hope you really enjoyed what I was trying to say. So thank you.